Okay, so this is Bob's 3D 3D sailplane, for lack of a better thing. Maiden flight. Alan's gonna do the chucking. Oh my god, it flew.
Where'd it go?
Lost it in the sun.
Flying.
It flies. I totally lost it, Bob. Oh, there it is.
But it was a $50 special. See how special that was?
He bought this plane with an engine for 50 bucks.
Not noisy. Oh, let's see some of that 3D stuff. Well, let's get used to it first.
Dude, hover it over the runway.
We want to see an inverted Harrier. What are you doing? Roll. Now that's 3D in the glider.
I don't have a brake on.
Think the prop's full.
No, only I haven't got the brakes yet.
Oh, see, that slows you down.
Right. That's hands off. Well, you know, you see the car coming in with the wind. Don't handle real good on the glide on low rates.
I don't
It
think
doesn't?
really
No.
Need more throw?
Yeah, I need to set the brake until I have to get my programming card out.
I can't even see it, man. Oh, there it is.
Sorry, I'm on. I like the way it glides in there.
Are you gonna land, Bob?
I'm gonna make, yeah, I probably should bring it in. That prop will fold,
So the prop's not folding up, and that's
I need to
slowing the
set
thing
it.
down.
Well,
Okay, so
I gotta worry about
I guarantee the prop will fold when you hit the ground.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, I
no, it wants to fold, wants it to fold up there.
Yeah, I want it to fold before I get to the ground so I don't break it on my first fly. So I need to,
Okay, maiden landing.
maybe.
That looks
Or
like a
maiden,
3D.
well, you know, a landing's a landing as long as you don't need glue.
Got a nice headwind right down the runway there. See that prop still spinning the whole
Yeah.
time. You got idle trim on that thing?
Well, it's electric, so it's off.
Right? But there's no
There's no way to-
variation?
No, there's no way to shut it. I wondered about setting the brake when I get shut it.
I think you're going to have to go further out and come in with a nice slowing down right. You're moving by here pretty good. That's the one.